So here I was. It's a dark, stormy night, and I'm heading over to the Coil Line studio for some filming. Stop by the dumpster to throw out some garbage in my car, and I find a computer. This poor, neglected thing just thrown to the side of the dumpster. So throw it in my trunk and say, let's go test it out. So what do we get here? Got myself some old Optiplex of unknown origin, 265 watt power supply, an old Sandy Bridge 2500 non-K CPU, rocking 4-core 4-thread at a clock speed I don't care about. It's got no hard drive, it's got no CPU cooler, and it's got 8 gigs of RAM. So I mean, slap a cooler on there, slap in a GPU of some sort, maybe a low profile. Well, for this you'd get a full profile GPU. I just stole this from the Optiplex. A cooler from the Optiplex that I rated, and just don't let Gab know his Optiplex is a empty husk right now. From one Optiplex to another Optiplex, so it shall be. So Dell uses a weird proprietary connector on their weird proprietary board with their weird proprietary power supply. Although this power supply looks kind of standard. Don't tell Gab that I'm using his power tools. That's right, a screwdriver's a power tool in my hand. And that I'm reusing the same thermal paste that I stole from the Optiplex. I'm not using this long term. I'm just trying to see if it works, and if it's worth actually putting some money into. It's probably not, but I mean, if you're gaming on a budget, or you're trying to gift your nephew a PC to play Fortnite with, why not, right? Here you go, Timmy. I found you a dumpster PC. Now you can play Minecraft. Really hope this works and it doesn't catch on fire. It's got VGA, serial, and DisplayPort. Like, DisplayPort? Okay. Okay, Dell, I see you. Oh, let's just see if it turns on. Oh, not gonna lie, I'm a little scared to hit the power button. Oh! Dell, what is this? Yes, she's on. Keyboard's lighting up, mouse is lighting up. Why were you discarded, my friend? Oh, did we unplug the display port from the back?
Oh, that's fine, man.
Oh no. No, baby, why isn't you working?
Can I try some different RAM?
I mean, I'm not getting any error codes or beeps. This has a beeper. Oh, there we go! Look at it. Look at it. It's alive! So yeah, no hard drive found, but I get an output. This thing just works. How do I turn you off so I don't shock myself? Easy, you unplug it. Oh, Dell. Alright, where's the drive? Alright, just gonna plug in one of our drives that we just kinda chuck in every system out here. Let's just go for broke and shove this thing in.
Low profile bracket.
Alright, so there's your problem. This is probably why you'd want to use a full height GPU with this system, because it's a full height case. But, you know, we got Coil Line ingenuity here. Just bend the crappy sheet metal until it behaves. And it fits like a glove. You're not screwing it in because, again, use a real GPU with this. This is for your half-height Optiflexes. Oh yeah, you want to do DisplayPort so you get a capture? Or not DisplayPort, HDMI?
Yeah.
You're spinning. You're booting. Are we live? Oh man, we're live. Look at that. Dumpster PC coming back to life. I don't know why they threw it out. Could, like I said, this could be a great PC for your nephew to play Fortnite on. Are we gonna test Fortnite? No, I hate that game. But I mean, it works. Am I gonna test Cyberpunk? Now don't get me started.
You can. It is installed on that drive.
It is. I could launch Cyberpunk and see if my dumpster PC with, how much was this GPU new?
150.
Okay, this was 150 before the disaster struck, so it's probably 150,000 now, but, you know.
I checked, it's 300 now.
Oh my lord, it's 300 now. Oh. Oh, he probably threw it out to buy a pre-built and just save himself the effort. Yeah, this is a nice base. Just get yourself some sort of used GPU from somewhere. Because, I mean, you don't have to have a half height for this. You can just get any hand-me-down. be a decent pairing with like a.
I mean, at this point, putting a new power supply in isn't the end of the world.
Yeah, I mean.
You didn't pay for the rest of the system.
Right? Yeah, I mean, at some point you gotta call it quits on like how much money am I sinking into this for like a Sandy Bridge i5. But yeah, you know, dig around into the dumpster a little bit more, find an i7 version, and you're really good to go. If you looked at our Cyberpunk on a 290X video, that was my old system until last year, an i7 2600. It's Big Brother. I do have NVIDIA drivers. Man, this drive is nice and convenient. Sure, have access to the internet you're not connected to, whatever. Yeah, we're gonna play Cyberpunk on a dumpster PC. Isn't that great? Desperate times call for desperate measures, I guess.
This is gonna play way better than it has any right playing because it's playing on like the top of the line, 1650 low profile. Like that's the best you can get right there.
It's a yeah. No, this
The
is
DDR6 version. Hell yeah, brother.
hell yeah. 20 at 39 FPS. Wow. It looked like I was just sliding there. Oh, Cyberpunk, never get patched. Yeah, oh, look at that. Look at that dumpster PC. Let's go. I can't bolt. Give me a car. Everyone knows you have to benchmark while driving. Alright, well, with this insurance claim, you can buy a better PC. Oh, I can't take control of your car. Give me a car. Oh, it's F, not E. I was playing GTA earlier. They're all the same car. Oh my lord. It's another one! What is this? Why is the CPU only spawning the same car? Is that another one? Oh my lord. I can't. Dude, this character's weak as hell. This is so painful. I just want to benchmark with a car. Thank you. Get out of my new car. Oh, this car sucks. Alright, so it's chugging a little bit here. We're getting like low 20s, but what are we even running at? This is a dumpster PC. Let's be fair here. Yeah, shoot.
We're playing on medium.
Why is it having such a hard time at medium?
Just go low. Just go ultra low.
Set to low, I guess, yeah. Alright, well this is not running as well as I thought it would. Maybe it's the i5 just choking me. It's only, wow, it's really dark here. What the hell? Like advanced darkness.
Oops.
Oops, going to jail. Alright, so maybe you're not going to play Cyberpunk on your dumpster PC. That might have been a tall order. Yeah, i5s have aged like milk, unfortunately.
Where's my hyper-threading, Joe?
Can I please get hyper-threading? But, you know, it'll play, I don't even need to launch League of Legends. We know it's going to play League, it's going to play Rocket League, it's going to play Fortnite, it's going to play Minecraft. And really, oh, it's flatlined, yeah, because I closed you. I really, like, what else do you want this for? This is literally the PC you hand to your nephew and say, just don't look at it. It's ugly, but it'll run. Huh, there you go. Maybe I'll make another video next time I find another dumpster PC. Keep your eyes out for one. These are not a bad deal. It's free.
Free is good.
Free is the best deal.
I mean, yeah, we did put a $300 today's MSRP graphics card in it, but...
Yeah, I mean, we did put a nice GPU in here, but under a normal market, a free PC, a $50 drive, and $200 and you got yourself a gaming PC. That's not a bad deal.
I mean, yeah, and I mean, honestly, that you could probably get a full-size graphics card that would play better. Like, you could probably say like a 1660 with some Molex to SATA connectors and at a normal market, and this thing would rip.
Yeah, I mean, if you're really feeling it, you could probably find a 2600 i7 for the system for a decent price because it's in all these XPS and Octaflexes. You're not going to find a 2600K for a decent price because it's the Halo chip. But 2600 out of a Dell. From a Dell to a Dell for another Dell. There we go. Yeah, there we go. You know, keep an eye out on our channel. Maybe we'll do something fun with more crap PCs. half the fun. So again, join the Discord, comment, subscribe, you know, the normal drill. Like the video, I tried. And we'll see
You
you.
didn't try. You got the thing out of a dumpster.
Hey, I had to look. You would have passed by and been like, oh, that piece of crap. But I saw a gem, a diamond in the rough. There we go, yeah. See you next time.